In this fast paced world, finding time for us is a precious gift we often overlook. But amid the chaos, there always exists a peaceful oasis that beckons us to slow down and reconnect with our essence. The touch of the breeze on our skin and the harmonious sounds of nature create an ambience of relaxation. Nature invites us to shred our worries and embrace renewal. This is a reminder that we need a break from the hustle and bustle. We must curb our moments like these to nature, to nurture our souls and find solace in the beauty around us as we live in the here and now. As we step onto the sacred grounds of nature, an immediate sense of serenity washes over us. The green forest, sounds of the ocean, wildflowers, and seabirds set the stage for a peaceful feeling. Just take a moment to look around. It is evident that nature is more than just a destination. It is a spiritual retreat that touches your soul. Take time for yourself. Detach yourself. Sit quiet and listen to the wind. Before we part ways, remember to cherish the simple pleasure and embrace gratitude for the gift of existence. Until next time, stay mindful and keep seeking the beauty within. Take care.